Oh my god. Okay. I've been preparing for this moment since June and I still don't feel ready. Okay. Whew. Hey Glam Squad, welcome back to my channel. I do apologise for my voice, I am recovering from the flu. As you are aware, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and last year my amazing friend LJ removed her eyebrows and raised over €3,000. I was so inspired by LJ that this year I've decided to remove my eyebrows for look good, feel better. As a brow technician for the past 6 years, it's safe to say brows have been a huge part of my life, and I see all types of brows on a daily basis. So I wanted to take this opportunity to offer my skills to support those who need it more than anyone. For me, this has been a decision, but for many women, they do not have a choice. Browtober is so much more than just to raise money and to spread awareness. It's to truly help those who need it the most. And for the month of October, I'm going to be showing my support and helping those that do not have, brow hair to work with, helping them through detailed brow tutorials on my Instagram and my YouTube channel. I'm really excited but also really nervous. I'll have a lot more information near the time on how you can donate, but for the meantime, stay tuned.